At my workplace, I don't have access to any other AI agents other than GitHub Copilot, which is integrated with IntelliJ. Generally, I used to write stories with the description with acceptance criteria, but these days I am leveraging GitHub Copilot to write the stories. I just explain what is my persona, what is my basic requirement. Based on that, GitHub Copilot is going to draft the story with the description, acceptance criteria, and then I will just take that and fine tweak it and then add it to the Jira board. Now I can just show you how exactly I just put the prompt to get the result or the story what I want. So here I am just asking GitHub Copilot with this simple prompt. I am just telling that you are my business analyst. You help me to write the story with the persona, and this is the requirement. I need the acceptance criteria in BDD style and a title for the story, and which nicely drafts. So if you look at it, gave the title and it enhanced the story and gave the basic acceptance criteria. What I do is I just copy this and fine tweak it and add it to Jira. That is how I am leveraging GitHub Copilot, as I don't have access to any other tools.